In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust inventory in Intuit QuickBooks Online. Managing your inventory effectively is crucial for keeping your business running smoothly, and QuickBooks makes this process intuitive and straightforward. Let's dive right into it. Once you're logged into QuickBooks, you'll be directed to the homepage where all the magic happens. This serves as your central hub for managing various aspects of your business, so it's important to become familiar with it. As you navigate the home page, you'll want to keep an eye out for the New button. This button is typically found towards the top or within the main navigation bar, depending on how your interface is configured. Go ahead and click on it. When you click the New button, a drop-down menu appears with a variety of options. Since our focus today is on inventory, you'll want to make sure you're heading in the right direction. From this menu, steer your attention towards the Other section. Once you're there, you'll select Inventory Quantity Adjustment. Clicking this option will guide you directly to the section where you can make the necessary changes to your inventory. At this point, you're ready to start adjusting your inventory. The first task is to add the product that needs adjustment. You should notice a list or a field where you can begin typing the product name. As you type, QuickBooks might suggest options based on the products already listed in your inventory. This handy feature allows you to quickly pinpoint the product you're looking for. Once you see the correct product, simply click on it to select it. Now that you've selected the product, it's time to enter the quantity adjustment. Look for the designated field where you can input the amount you need to adjust the quantity by. This adjustment could be either an increase or a decrease, depending on what your current inventory demands. It's really important to double-check that you've entered the figures accurately, as any miscalculations could impact your inventory levels and potentially lead to issues in the future. Finally, when you're satisfied with your entries and everything appears to be in order, it's time to finalize your adjustment. You'll want to find the Save and Close button to record these changes. With just a click, your inventory levels are updated and you're all set to continue managing your business with updated insights. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully adjusted your inventory in QuickBooks Online. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more confident about managing your business's inventory moving forward. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.